Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back if you are returning, and if you are new, a hearty welcome to you. Today I have one quick and easy DIY for you, which is part of the faith-based Peace and Joy Collab hosted by Michelle of Moxie DIY and Java. What a joy it is to know that we can find peace in Jesus. Woohoo! I'm so happy about that. So without further ado, let's get crafting. Large chalkboard house with a little chalk from a fellow crafter. So I found this nativity scene on Google free, and I printed that out with the words, "Let there be peace on earth." And I changed the color to white and printed it on a transfer paper, thinking that I could transfer the white onto the black background. So here, after removing the plastic, I placed some tape down around the frame so as to prevent the paint from splattering and messing up the black. And I gave that 2 coats of white acrylic paint. I then removed the tape. And as you can see, I did mess up a little bit, but I was able to wipe that off with some baby wipe and then dried it. So here is where my idea took a different turn. In my head, I saw a white nativity scene on the black background and was studiously cutting out my words to transfer until I realized that I totally forgot that my printer was black and white, and I could not get a white word to print from a black ink. I laughed at myself, so it's okay for you to laugh at me. But nevertheless, I found another solution. I decided to just trim down the picture, leaving a white border, and then color in the stall with the black furniture marker. And here it is. I love the save, don't you? And then, since I'm keeping the white background, I applied some Eileen's tacky glue to the back and then glued it down in the center, and then used the Mod Podge brayer to smooth that out. And to further embellish, I painted 3 of these little wooden laser cut gifts with some red and green paint. And this is what they look like. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. I then applied some Mod Podge to the frame as well as the gifts. So I wanted the gifts to freestand, and so I glued them together side by side. I left the little sticky thing on there because it didn't matter whether I took them off or left them on. And then I glued a tower tumbling block to the back. And then I glued that on in the center of the house. I found these sprigs of greenery and glued those on. And I also had this little piece of Christmas ribbon from last year. I love this ribbon so much. And this ribbon that had 2 gold balls and a little trumpet, I got this at the 89-cent store last year. And here I remove the string with the balls and just wrap that around the ribbon. And then glued it in the middle. And then I took a wooden snowflake in its natural color and just glued that in the center. And then more embellishment, guys. Not done yet. Hang in there for a little bit. I took these mini Christmas trees that comes in a pack of 6 from Dollar Tree and trimmed down one side. And that's just so it could lay flat against the board. And then I glued them on either side. And just when I thought I was done, I remembered that I had this Chocolate Christmas stencil with the words "Peace on Earth" from last year. And so I taped off the words that I didn't want to use, fuzzed it a little bit so it would stick, and then centered it. Use this tall squeegee to apply some white chalk paint, just barely enough to cover the surface. And then I peeled that off and dried it. And look at how pretty this is. Ooh, I love it. And now for the final reveal. Guys, make sure to check out Michelle's channel. Her link as well as the playlist will be in the description box below. And if you love budget-friendly content like this, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe until next time. Bye!